Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video, I will show you the new features for drawing detailing. One minor change concerns the scale of views. Scale changes are now no longer automatically reverted with undo. This means that the undo function now only resets the rotation, whereas previously the scale was also reset. The highlight of Service Pack 2 is the completely redesigned dialog for surface symbols. This is designed in the same way as the form and positional tolerances. You can now switch between profile-related and surface-related symbols. This covers the new standards DINEN ISO 21920 and DINEN ISO 25178. Additional information can be optionally added around the symbol. A new feature is the option to insert the symbol directly with a reference line. Magnetic snapping in of annotations now offers additional options. Dimensions and heights above datum can now also be aligned with each other. For annotations, a direction can now also be selected to define a different snap line. Minor improvements have been made to the planning grid. The grid can now be edited via the context menu. In addition, selected edges are marked in the graphic. It is particularly worth mentioning here that axes are now displayed shortened if they are not to be drawn, that is, if they are switched off in a plane. It's now also possible to use formulas in the distance specification. The annotation of the grid has been greatly improved, including an additional delete function in the context menu. This allows a repeated deletion of grid lines. Furthermore, unannotated ends can now also be aligned using magnetic snap-in. When creating and editing, you are now supported by a dynamic preview. A new option allows you to create a grid that is no larger than the existing grid. There are also other minor improvements. In the field of drawing derivation, the determination of non-derived parts in the workshop drawing has been added. The new options allow you to derive newly added parts in a targeted manner. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing.